How to download Binance on PC. To download Binance on PC, follow these steps. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. You can either open Chrome or Brave. After that, go to the search bar on the very top and search for Binance. Now at the very top of this result page, you will see the Binance application. Now you can go to the official website by clicking on the link and find the download section, or you can simply click on the download link. The download link is available right under the result page. After clicking on download, select the device that you have. It may be Windows or Mac. Now download Binance according to your device. Once the file is downloaded on Windows, double-click on the .exe file, then follow the installation prompts. If you are using a Mac, then open the .dmg file and drag the Binance app to the Applications folder. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.